We're very excited because we are preparing for the RSPB Great British Garden Birdwatch. That's quite a mouthful to say. So we're making sure that all our feeders are filled up. It's a beautiful day here today in Norfolk. I'm slightly concerned it's not going to be as nice tomorrow. Look, the sun is even in our eyes as we turn around a little bit. So there's a feeder right behind us. That's a slightly strange feeder. It actually, what was in it originally?
Easter eggs, I think.
It came with Easter eggs in it, and we thought it was rather good. So that's got some pretty old manky fat balls in there, so we might actually get rid of those. And I think the main thing with the feeders is that they're near, what do we need them to be near to offer protection?
Near some trees so that they can have some sort of canopy over them.
Yeah, the birds really like to be able to hop in and out of a bush or a tree, check the coast is clear, and then jump onto the feeder. But at the same time, we want to be able to see the birds and count them. So we've positioned our feeders kind of around the garden. Probably can't see any at the moment. There are some in that tree there, so we can see those. And we've also got some much nearer the house. But it's a constant battle between the birds and the squirrels. So we've had food out for a long time. We've always got food, but we're putting extra out today, hoping that the squirrels won't eat it in 24 hours and that we can get some great sightings tomorrow. So just really quickly, talk us through what we're putting out here.
We've got some fat balls, so there, and some sunflower hearts, and some just normal mixture of seeds, and some lard and seed mixture.
Excellent. And they really like those sort of fat cakes, don't they? They go really fast. Yeah. Well, something eats them really fast. I think the squirrels like them too. Brilliant. We're going to get setting these all up right away. Can you reach that?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
It's okay, because birds need food on the ground as well. The robins really like to go to the ground. I'll clip it up.
Snowdrops. They're really pretty.
Yeah, don't stand on them.
Yeah.
Just moving these logs, and we found this, which I think is this jelly ear fungus. Oh, look at that. Gross. And some rather nice slugs. I'm going to leave that upturned because I think the birds will be very good at getting rid of those slugs. And then this actually forms part of a ground feeder that we made last year, which we've rather neglected, so we'll get that going again for the birds that like feeding near the ground, and that's a squirrel protector.
It's really important that birds have water as well as food, and so lately we've been making sure that this doesn't freeze over.
The bird watchers also need food. Are these going to last today and tomorrow?
I think so.
I'm not so sure. One each now.
Yeah.
So we're all set for the bird watch tomorrow. Feeders are cleaned and refilled and positioned, hopefully so that the birds will feel safe when they're feeding. And we've made sure that we've got our biscuits and we know where we're going to sit. So we'll have a lovely hour recording all the birds in our garden and then send them into the RSPB. I should add, the bird watch runs from today, that's Friday, right the way through until Sunday. So there is still time to register. Just simply go to www.rspb.org.uk and the front page will show you exactly how to register and then submit your results. Have fun.